using Flux UI for my app, and I've just used the searchable select component to give me an input where I can choose a country. If I look here, I've got a for each loop iterating over a bunch of countries, and I've got an option for each country. Inside there, I'm showing the country's flag as an emoji, and I'm also showing the country's name. So if I come and look at how this looks like in the application, I can choose that, and it's showing all of the countries here. It works absolutely great. I can come along and I can search for something like United Kingdom, and I can find that and select it, and it works great. But I know what I'm searching for because I know what this application is calling the countries. What if I was a real user and I don't necessarily know what the ISO standard for the country name is? Well, I might come along here and search for something like England, or maybe I'll search for something like Deutschland if I am a native German speaker. But no, that's not showing any results, even though the English spelling is. So what can we do about that? Well, we could come in here and we could start to add something else. For example, we could start to add a hidden element and put the alternate name in there as well. Because Flux's searchable components just look for any of the text content within that select option, if we do this, then that's going to show us a result. So let's make this a little bit more comprehensive. If I come to this countries class where I've got the list of countries, and I search for something like Deutschland, I've added in here a list of local names. So for example, for the German entry, I have the local name of Deutschland. So I can add that to the list automatically. Then if I search for Deutschland, it should show up. Similarly, if I search for England under UK, I've got a list of common countries, sub-countries within England, and other common things that people call the country if they are looking for it in a country list. So I can output those as well. So let's come back here and paste this little snippet in. So again, inside the select option, I've got a hidden element, and it's hidden so that it won't show in the UI. And I'm showing the country's local name, its full official name, and any alternate names that it might have as well. So by putting all of these in here, hopefully Flux's searchable UI is going to show all of these for us. If I come back to here and refresh and I start to search, as I search for England, we'll see United Kingdom comes up. Similarly, if I search for Deutschland, Germany comes up. If I search for something like Republic, all of these countries which have some kind of republic in their name, for example, their official country name is like Republic of something, then they're all showing up here as well. So I could search for Republic of Afghanistan, and that will still come up with Afghanistan. So it's a really handy way to make your app way more accessible, and it's not just limited to country selectors. This is also super useful for selecting a phone number prefix, or a time zone, or a currency, or a number of other things. You can just add a little bit of extra information in there, keep it hidden from the UI, but let the searchable component actually make use of it.